ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for our Kadavu choir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? Are you ready for more entertainment? Yes. Do you want to hear some more singing? I absolutely love the songs that are going on right now. I feel like I can just sit here and listen to them all day. Kadavu malo Okay, so we're gonna have one more number from these guys before we bring on the next lineup of entertainment. And before that, I've got a vehicle registration alui. Alright, a vehicle registration alui is parked somewhere over that side. Your windows are still down. Okay? You will have to move your feet faster than nature allows it to your car right now, because now everybody knows that your windows are down. Go and put your windows up, please, for your own vehicle safety. Keep your windows up in the car park. All right, we have one more number from the Kadavu choir, and then we will move on with the next lineup of entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? I'm sorry, I feel like I'm talking to the wall or the ocean. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Then give them a warm round of applause and a warm welcome once again. Vinaka Vakalevu Kadavu Choir.